Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to English online class. It's my fourth lecture with grade 3 and today we will do workbook page number 70. So let's get started. Open up your workbook page number 70. Okay, first of all mention date and day on workbook page number 70. The date is 1st July 2020 and the day is Wednesday. Paragraph writing. Okay, on this page number 70, you will write a paragraph about, and the topic is about your favorite subject. Okay, it means you have to write a paragraph on your favorite subject and you have to give the answers or why do you like it and what kind of things you learn in this subject. Okay, so I have right here sample paragraph. You can follow it and you can add more sentences in this passage or this paragraph. So let's start. We study different subjects in school. Okay, the first sentence is we study different subjects in school. My favorite subject is English. You can write here your favorite subject, whether it is maths, English, science, Urdu. Okay, I like this subject most. I regularly read English storybooks, poems, magazines. I practice English grammar every day. My father helps me in practicing grammar and reading English books. English is an international language. It helps people to make conversation with others. It gives confidence and attraction to your personality. Okay students, you have to complete this workbook page number 70. You can change your favorite subject and you have to write about your favorite subject of your own. Okay, if your favorite subject is English, so you can add other sentences in this paragraph. Okay, thank you.